audio video recording. The fuckers are trying to pull the air out of my fucking lungs again. And I said, take my prana eater off of the other people. I do not want false energy. Stop draining my animals and holding my energy up where I can't do anything but scream for 3 or 4 nights in a row. My face can't stay up. I can't walk. I can't take the cat shit outside. I'm sick of these imaginary bullshit. I know what I had is my property, and Social Security said it's my property. It's my rights to use it. My dragon touched metal tagging with my fucking shadow, whatever the fuck. Social Security said they would back it. They know what things really are called and how they're stored and where they're put. If people exist, since everybody out there telling lies, nobody has anything, nobody exists, they're all secret, shush and quiet, nobody's alive, they're all dead, they never existed, everybody's quiet. There's the air to breathe, thank you for that. Get my prana eater off of the other people. Get the police spirits back over here. Go attack those people. Put them in jail handcuffs. Bring my prana eater back to my body. Stop fooling me while y'all are dragging out the deaths of my fucking animal demons. Stop trying to get away with killing them under my nose. I've been talking about I told KBI. Where's the freaking USA where we all have to live together so we all have what we want to have and we're peaceful with each other? Why are y'all letting this go? I want to go to sleep. I want to eat hot fucking food. I want to absorb the heat into my fucking belly like a lizard, like it was supposed to, like they made it to. Stop having other people take it away. I don't want lukewarm food. I want my cat demon fixed so he can breed that fucking trollop a motherfucking demon to keep her daughter alive. Stop fighting with, stop stabbing, chopping off body parts of my animals. Stop putting other people's diseases on my body and my animal's body. And stop talking to me on other people. I told Frank Costello, the last apartment I lived in, the girl had a taser. And I had a knife. They went in and got her because I threw a knife and warned her. He wanted to throw stuff in his bedroom before. I told him I have a knife and I have a fucking fork. And I gun blued for throwing a fork at a squirrel. I'm not gonna get anybody with their hands on me to fucking put their hand up in the other room before. It is not gonna happen. I have a loaded fucking fork. He can stay in his room and I'll stay here on the couch. I'm tired of this. I want to breathe. He wants to die quietly in his fucking room coughing. I do not want to die coughing with Darlene. She can get her own animal to die for her. These are not for her. Stop putting it on me and my animals, or I will not have a life to be alive. I need these animal demons or I'm going to die. These people really wanted to kill me. They killed me like they killed James and Richard and Cecil and Teddy. Take it off of them. It's called blood energy. Like, what? Not a radiator. Engine of a car. An alternator. Take Ashley's alternator off of those other people. On a video recording. I'll push the button. Post this.